Hold on, buddy. Don't you flip over yet. Oh, no, no. Gosh, dang it. Those 32.5s are nice.
I'm gonna get Boros and get 34.5.
Good God.
4 inches.
How does it turn them right now?
Good.
Even over extreme?
Yeah.
Damn.
I should have fixed my axle.
Ah. Haha.
I don't want to go in any thick shit and pop the whole time.
Yeah. Big man, little side by side. Look how much that side by side is leaning. Whoa!
Yeah!
God bless. Yep. Holy shit. I'm trying. That rut caught me. What? A little bit. This is bad. All right. Can't get over it. Not enough clearance. You gonna try it? What? Keep going to the right. That's how I was trying. You mean right there? Hell no. Crazy. I did. Just got my bike back. I don't want to break it again. What? Oh, you gonna try it? He said he's not gonna try it.
That's reverse.
Oh, damn. Ugh. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. What's up? There it is. my camera on?
You got a big ass spot right in the middle.
Making it worse. I'm good now? All right. Woo! Got my locker on. I got my locker on. To the right? Alright, go that way?
Yeah.
Do that shit?
Yeah, go ahead.
What the fuck is that? Hell no, you're crazy.
It's a goddamn power.
Asshole. What? Is that bad? Is that bad? It dropped off? Oh yeah, that's Alvean's. How bad did it drop? How bad does it drop off after that? Not too bad?
I just walked it all the way. I stopped.
But you felt it going down? No, it's all right. I'll go slow. What? Is he about to go through it? I'm just curious. Whoa! All right. Maybe not. Yeah, fuck that. What? Thank you. Ooh, that got up there pretty high. God. Was that? Ah, he got up to about right here. No, on that one up there. I didn't make it do nothing.
You're the one that brought it out. We didn't even walk it yet. It's gonna drop right there a little bit. Then it's gonna drop a little bit right there. And then it's gonna go drop big time back here. How much is big time? His waist. I didn't walk all the way in.
Lean back, no.
I don't call you snorkels for nothing.
Do your signature move, you bump and drive.
No, I know how deep over there is.
Come on.
Oh, wait. Yeah, he is.
Oh, you're fine.
Oh, shit.
Float away.
Don't lean that way.
Hold on, buddy. Don't you flip over yet. Oh, no, no. Gosh, dang it.
I think I want to turn around. Look at this. That's not safe.
I ain't even on the bottom of the rut right now.
You're not? All right, you get out. I'm turning around.
Grab your hand, buddy. Oh, shit, now I'm going in.
Oh,
No, you...
I need no tires. No air tires. I mean, I'll float.
Whoa. Oh, shit.
Easy. Grab
Whoa.
the selfie stick.
Give me the selfie stick. Come on.
Selfie stick was just to get
Thank you.
of you.
Oh, appreciate it.
Just stuck it out there to teach. That's what it was.
That was nuts.
Was I not recording the whole time?
Hopefully not.
All right. Oh, yeah. Got a little water in my water. Throw me on.
I feel like that's dangerous right there.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, this?
You know, having that snorkel right there where you can just step on it.
Oh, no, that's fine. What's dangerous is this.
That too.
I keep my feet right here.
I got my foot stuck in the front one. At Mud Creek. I mean, at the Extreme.
Oh shit.
I stopped
You
up
flipping?
there and then I started recording again when we went around.
I didn't reach the bottom. I was sliding down. And I stopped. There was still more.
Oh
Somebody, one person.
I think I might.
Five people.
I think I might have turned quick enough to catch it.
Hey, you're on settings right now.
Hey, wait! You got it? Nice. Oh, shit. Damn, that sucks. That really sucks. All right. Easy. So we just need a little momentum. You probably got that. Woo! I thought you were gonna go down, buddy.
No, I had to get her off. I was like, dude,
Where'd she go?
she went on the radio.
Oh, okay, okay.
But that's what I was like, but shit, you see I can do it myself.
Yeah. You started sliding in at the end. Your back tire started going in.
That's why I hit it fast.
I was like, but I hear her in the background, don't do it, don't do it. Look, I was like, look, I can do it. Come on now. I can do it, just get the
Get the. Man, that really sucks though about that truck. Damn.
All the engine and everything.
Shit.